Supervisor, Mrs. Marta Stinan, to our school principal, Mrs. Marita P. Reyes, to our advisors, Mrs. Helen V. Esmar and Mamena V. Mercado. Our guest speaker, Mrs. Christine I.V. Espinondo, to our teachers, my fellow teachers, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you for being with us. We all deserve to celebrate and to be proud of ourselves as we celebrate our moving up ceremony. As a kindergarten of Tapia Sacred School, I am so happy to welcome all of you to our school. Today is a very special day. We are proud to be a part of it. Heartfelt thanks to the teachers, parents for this special occasion. In behalf of kindergarten class 2024 to 2025, our moving up ceremony. Welcome, welcome, welcome.